Hi CVA Integrated Math 3 students. I have some advice from you from a tree. Stand tall and proud. Go out on a limb. Remember your roots. Drink plenty of water. Be content with your natural beauty and enjoy the view. If you guys didn't know, I'm the world famous Mr. Ng. Well, welcome to the classroom. I got this grid view for you, and it's time for game plans. Here, I just want to introduce what we're doing throughout the week. This is week number 2, August 16th to August 20th, 2021. We are just doing some transitioning back. Some room 902 news. That is the room number here at Savannah, but I just call it my classroom news. Our first class for period 8, which is the CVA Integrated Math 3 e-learning, will now be on Mondays. Thank you guys for voting. It's going to be from 4 to 4:45 through Zoom. The link on eCadence conferences does not work, so I already sent out this link. And period 2A, I have 2 periods there in period 2, so I have the first class that comes up is just CVA Integrated Math 3. You guys will be Tuesdays, 9:30 to 10:15 a.m. through Zoom. There's the link. Just to give you guys some heads up, eCadence, for me, is the official way to get and turn in work, but it is your unofficial grade. The reason why is there's some assignments in there that's a little bit difficult to put into your grade, so Aries is the official way to get your grade. Talking about attendance and participation, 10% of your grade is just you coming, participating in class, so if you're absent, I probably give up to 2 excused absences and still give you 100% participation. Anytime that you need help, I want you guys to click on this link there to sign up for office hours. It might be a 1-minute time where we just do a video chat, or it might be a half-an-hour session if you need help on factoring and drawing polynomials. Here's a video how to set up an office hour appointment. Guys, it's my birthday tomorrow, so you can give me a birthday present by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Currently, we have almost 400 subscribers. Grab your mom's phone, grab your brother's phone, press subscribe on Mr. Mathing there, and I'll check it next Tuesday. If we get over 500 subscribers, I'll add drop the lowest quiz score. If we get up 600 subscribers, I'm going to drop both the quiz and the lowest test score. If we get 700 subscribers, I'm going to drop your lowest homework score, test score, and quiz score. Let's talk about our week at a glance. So week at a glance, our central question is, how do we transition back to the new year, back into the virtual classroom? Let's talk about what you need to focus on this week. You guys are going to see these numberings, and we'll take a field trip to eCadence to kind of show you that, but you're going to see this first number, 1 and a 2. That represents the week number. Now, just for purposes of helping me with my other classes, although this is officially week number 2 of the school year, what you had worked on last week was the Beehive assignments, where you went to eCadence and you either clicked on Module 0 Week 1. Let's go ahead and do that. Hopefully that was clear. There it is. Okay, so if you guys go to Modules, for period 8, I copy and pasted the folder in for you under Module 0, and you were supposed to complete 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, and 1.6. You were supposed to complete all of those, okay? For period 2A, CVA Integrated Math 3, under yours, you will have something called the Beehive, and all you have to do is complete the Beehive. Now, no worries if you didn't get that done for some reason. I'm not going to check that until this Friday. So essentially, I'm giving you an extra week to get that done. Okay? I'll show you that again. Assignment 2.4, a little bit confusing, but that was the assignment from last week. And this week, I'm giving you something called the first assignments. So if you click on that, it's going to be a Google Doc. You're receiving this because it's the first assignments of the semester. They're easy and a quick way to boost up your grade quickly. Make sure you're logged into your AUHSD account. You're going to go to your eCadence, and it's there. But essentially, all you have to do is click on these assignments, has a video or help or some Google Slides, and then you just have some kind of action item. So for example, the first one is an e-sign syllabus. Click here to find your syllabus. Why? Because I have multiple classes, so this is what it looks like. And then you just click on your syllabus in there. And then basically at the very last page, there is a click here, and all you have to do is fill out that Google form. If you need help, you can watch a video, but if you don't need the help, then you don't have to click on it. Motivational quote. You know, sometimes you're not motivated during school, so I want you guys to find your favorite celebrity or sports athlete or a song you really like, and you're going to draw something, draw a lyric out of there. Here's some Google Slides, here's a video to help you, and you're going to digitally turn in your motivational quote. Now, those motivational quotes do have to be hand-drawn because I want you to be able to post that in front of your desk. Sometimes that's super helpful for you to encourage you for the day. Student survey, I really want to get to know my students, so something that's a little bit different is you're going to kind of create a Google slide, and you're going to put in your favorite music and all the things you're interested in. Here's a video how to do that, and then you're just going to click on your period to bring you there. Khan Academy, we're going to use that during class throughout this semester, and so you basically just need to click on here to get the code and then sign up on Khan Academy. Do not watch any videos on Khan Academy or try to get ahead. This will confuse students, so all we're doing is just signing up. You're going to sign up for Edulastic. This is a way for me to give out assessments, quizzes, and tests. Video how-to. There's the link with the codes for the class codes, and then you click on there and sign up. Highly, highly recommend. The district uses something called Clever, C-L-E-V-E-R. You can type that into Google, and it kind of it has all the websites there. But for me personally, I just take out a piece of paper and write down all my passwords. I keep that in a safe place. And then last week in the Beehive, you were working on Thrively, which is a way to figure out your interests and strengths. So all I want you to do there is make sure you're signed up. So if you've already completed the Beehive assignments, then you're good. You just need to be connected to my class, and I'm assigning the same thing, but I just want you to sign up, and those are the class codes. And if you guys haven't already and want to get to know me more, there's a couple of ways you can do that. But one of them is I recorded a video this year, getting to know Mr. Ng. So you can just click right there, 12-minute video, get to meet my family, all the places I've taught at, and you're in good hands. So that is the first assignments, and that's not due till September 10th, 2021. So you got a couple of weeks to do that, but knock those out because I'm going to be assigning more things. You know, in the classroom, the teacher would kind of put up on the whiteboard, you know, all the assignments that we were working on in class. Well, this is what this one is called, the online assignments. So remember week number. So last week was week number 1. I'm calling this assignment 1.4. You have the e-sign syllabus, motivational quote, all this stuff. You'll turn it in through the Google form. Week number 2, you kind of did this last week. Assignment 2.4 is the Beehive assignments. That, again, is due this week. I'm going to check it by 3 p.m. on eCadence. So, again, due Friday, August 20th. Okay, so what's your first priority? Get 2.4 done. And then if you are finished early, 1.4. The great goal is if by this Friday you have both 2.4 and 1.4 done. That way, on Monday, I'll be giving out more assignments. Now, take a look at this color and coding system. The background here is green. Well, green means basically I've assigned something, and you need to work on that right now. Yellow means it's a warning, it's past the due date. So I just want you to pretend you're in my classroom. I said, pass up your papers. I would collect the papers and put them on my desk, and I would probably grade it later, right? That's what it means to be yellow. I've collected it, but I haven't graded it yet. The big idea is that once it turns red, you can still get 100% on late or incomplete assignments. It's just there's another process, which I'll show you later. But I just want to introduce you to that color and coding system. And the last one, the number one mistake students made in distance learning is not sharing your Google documents. Okay, so let's just go to one right here. And for some reason, Google always has it on default that it's restricted. So this is what it'll look like on every assignment, restricted. And then students will try to turn in this link, and then when I click on it, what does it say? It says restricted. This is a huge pain for me, so you could just help me by changing this link to AUHSD. And then if you're ever turning something in, you just press copy, and then you go paste it in somewhere. Okay. The first 2 weeks, your assignments will be turned in through a lot of Google Forms, and then later throughout the class, then I'm going to go ahead and you'll be turning in assignments through eCadence. Okay. So that's all I have for you guys. That's your week at a glance. Number 2, be like the tree, take advice from there, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.